My name is Vinod. Namaste. Hello. Thank you for coming back to our channel once again. And I would like to thank you all my viewers who have subscribed to our channel. Thank you very much for your support. We are here today at Mangad, our new site at Chennai. The site is completed 2 days back, and we are here to take you through our completed work of this flat. It's a 2 BHK flat. Our client is at home now. They are already moved in. We have requested them to shoot the video, and they are absolutely okay with it. So now we are here at the flat, so let's please come, welcome. And like I told you, after end of the video, we'll also have clients' feedback to understand how their journey was. How did they feel about this entire experience? How did we treat them? How did they like our work? So we'll have a one-to-one talk with the client here direct. So please get in, please come. So this is a foyer area. We have done a small shoe rack here with the storage shelf. You can have your shoe rack inside here. You can have shoes, chappals. So we have given shelves here so you can accommodate as you want, and we have given louvers here for air circulation. We have not given here skirting underneath, so that as soon as you get in, you can slide in your chappal if you want to, or you can even keep it in the shoe rack, and you can have your decorative stuffs like this, having a plant here and Buddha over here. And this is the entire living and dining false ceiling tent with this peripheral, and giving a small design around the fan. So there is a cove light provision as well given here. So you can have a look, how does it look with cove light. So this is how it will look with the cove light. And this is the TV unit here. So we have used the lamination, the color combination as such, with a little pale white and a very olden type finish of a laminate. So to give a very different look and feel with this, so that it gives a very unique pattern, unlike as the old stuff, giving a glossy laminate and making more, something very different. So we wanted to try something new here, and that's what has been done here as well. So you get an ample storage here in the TV. You can have all your souvenirs here, your gift articles. You also have some storage areas so that you can accommodate as many things you want. So there's an uplift door with a hydraulic here, so you can store as many things you want here. So you get ample storage with this TV unit. You also have storage area underneath here. We have given a wire manager facility, so all wires go behind it. And as we move on here, we see a crockery unit here with a dining table here. So even in the crockery unit, if you notice, we have given few light effects inside and with a wine glass holder. So that it becomes a multi-purpose where you can have a wine glass holder. You can use this as a bar, or you can use this as a regular crockery unit. And you do get a counter space here, a granite, wherein you can serve the food right from the table here, and you see this here. Like, we have used almost the same pattern so that it looks alike. It gives complement to the area as such. And opposite to this crockery, we wanted to give a highlight of this wall. So this is something very unique pattern used here. It's a crisscross combination of a mirror and a laminate finish. It's a painted crisscross with a wooden border style. So now we'll move into the heart of the home, which is the kitchen. It is a complete modular kitchen done with a high gloss laminate used, and also a white gloss laminate. And we have used profile handles over here with a glass cutout. uplift model. So you get an ample storage here and a small spice rack. So this becomes very quick. When you are in a cooking mode, usually gents or ladies, they are very fast when it comes to the cooking. So you need something handy to reach. So that's why we have given a small spice rack here and a small spice rack there. And here is a chimney. Now this is a chimney and this is a hob which has been cut inside the granite and placed, and this is the executive tray. So this is a tandem box used here with a soft closing channel, and here is a steel wire basket, a plain basket. Now this is a thali basket with a separator. So you can have your thalis inside, right? And here's the oil cloud. Again, this is also a steel wire basket. Now this is a Sleek brand used here with soft closing channel. And this is another storage here. You can have cooker, tawas, pans, frying pans. And again with a soft closing hinges. So what happens here, the sink was right here. Then then we gave an option to the client that we can make this kitchen as L-shaped so that you can move the sink here. You get an additional working platform here. Otherwise, you are stuck with this particular size of the kitchen. So now, since we had this earlier, since we had this plans earlier, we could make this L kitchen here. That's why you see that we have extended this area and we have made this platform. So now it becomes an L kitchen. Now let's move into a smaller bedroom. Now this is a 3-door wardrobe. Here we have used a patchwork laminate finish. It's a new laminate finish by Merino. It's a 1 mm thickness of laminate. So we thought that we can use a laminate, and we have given a designer handle. We do have permission from the client to open the wardrobe and have a look, so that my customers get to know what are we giving inside the wardrobe, how does the wardrobe look like from inside. And let me tell you that wardrobe is absolutely customizable. You can choose your wardrobe how you want to be based on your storage options you want. So we have given a hanger option here so that you can hang the clothes with 2 drawers, and again we have given a storage here as well. There's a small loft on top. So this is about this 3-door wardrobe here. Get into the master bedroom. So this is a 5-door wardrobe with a dressing table and a fully covered loft. Now builder has not given us any loft here. We have made a loft here above the wardrobe. With a high gloss laminate finish. Again it's Merino laminate MR+. Now the handle style we have used with the same laminate here, so that we have not given any fancy handles. We have made this so that it gives a very different feel, and as the client wanted. So this is again a storage inside the wardrobe. So now you get to know how does a 5-door wardrobe looks. Again you have a storage here. You have a storage here. And then you have a storage here. Now this is the loft option. And now this is a dressing table with the wardrobe. Now behind this mirror you get an ample storage to have all your necessary needs, like your cosmetic items, whatnot. You have so many things, and then you get 2 drawers here with, again, you can have storage options inside the drawer. Now with this, client also wanted to have 2 side tables, which is here. So one side table on the either side. Now there is a different combination of laminates which we have used in this bedroom. Here for a TV unit and for a study. Nowadays there's something called work from home. So we wanted to give a small work table so that if the client has to work from home, they can work from home as well. Again, you have a storage option under this, and on top of this, if the client wants to place a TV unit here, they can have a TV unit here. So please do share your feedback. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up. And like I told you that we are going to have feedback from the client on this apartment. How was their experience? So we'll have a word with the client now. So we have our client here, Mr. and Mrs. Arun. Sir, just if you can share your feedback. How was your experience? Did we really live up to the promises we made? And were we were reachable whenever you wanted to, give us a feedback or to get the site update? If you can just share the, to our new customers and to our existing customers,
Sure.
so that it will help them to choose us as such.
So once we purchased the apartment and it was in August, so then we started hunting for our interior. It was a house. To make it home, we had to select for a good interior. So we went first to some big names and then we selected. And somehow then we come to know about Studio Home and Vinodji, and fortunately he met us. And the day when we met him, that day itself we decided no, we are giving to him. The way he described the things and the way he was very much into the interior part, and the way he was able to understand our requirements, that was fantastic actually. So we really appreciate that. And the first meeting itself we made up our mind that we will be giving this contract to Mr. Vinodji. And then our interior, this designing phase started, and I will definitely say this, he was very much open to gel our ideas as well. And then he gave his own suggestions, and then we were okay, we'll good to go. And then our execution phase started, and despite some difficulties, he was able to deliver the things very nicely. And the quality of the work which we see now, it's fantastic. It's really amazing. And also whenever we wanted to reach him, he was anytime available, and not even once he has missed a call. Be it is a Sunday or be it some late night, definitely he has cleared even the small doubts also. So it was a fantastic journey with him. And now I can really say it is a studio home. That's the bottom line.
Thank you very much for your feedbacks, and thank you for giving us an opportunity to shoot this video of your apartment, and thank you for sharing your valuable feedback.
Definitely.
It was very nice working with you, sir. Thank you for giving us this chance.
Sure.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.